Do you struggle with insomnia? You're not alone, and there's hope. Let's dive into the different types, causes, and solutions for better sleep. Insomnia can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, changes in your environment, temperature extremes, noise, medication side effects, and shifts in your sleep schedule, like jet lag. There are three main types of insomnia: short-term insomnia, intermittent insomnia, and chronic insomnia. Certain risk factors make insomnia more likely: chronic pain, obesity, heavy alcohol use, age, gender, and a history of depression. Insomnia affects your energy, mood, and daily function. But here's the good news. Natural remedies and lifestyle changes can help you sleep better. Always consult your doctor to rule out any underlying conditions. Remember, a good night's sleep is within reach. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share with others. Sweet dreams.